Imagine a world where your office isn't just four walls and a desk, but a vibrant community, a place where ideas spark and collaboration thrives. This was the intoxicating promise of WeWork, a company that burst onto the scene with a vision to redefine how we work and live. For a brief, dazzling moment, WeWork wasn't just a company, it was a phenomenon, a symbol of modern ambition, reaching an astounding $47 billion valuation. It truly represented the belief that with enough vision, you could transform an entire industry. This story reveals the power of a bold idea and the incredible potential that exists when we dare to dream big. Before WeWork, the concept of co-working was niche. But what exactly is it? At its heart, co-working is a shared workspace model, offering flexible office solutions to freelancers, startups, and even large corporations. Instead of traditional long-term leases, members get access to desks, private offices, and common areas on a flexible basis. WeWork elevated this by infusing it with a potent sense of community, amenities, and design, making it more than just a place to work, but a destination. This innovation tapped into a deep need for flexibility and connection in a rapidly changing work landscape, empowering individuals and businesses alike. At the center of this whirlwind was Adam Neumann, a co-founder with an electrifying vision. Neumann wasn't just selling office space, he was selling a lifestyle, a cultural movement. He saw WeWork not as a real estate company, but as a platform for human connection, a physical social network that would elevate the world's consciousness. His charisma was infectious, his ambitions boundless, attracting incredible talent and investment. This audacious belief in a grander purpose ignited a global phenomenon, proving that a single, compelling vision can truly inspire millions and reshape industries with unprecedented speed and scale. WeWork's expansion was nothing short of breathtaking. From a single shared office in Soho, New York, it mushroomed into a global empire, spanning over 100 cities and dozens of countries in just a few years. Each new location was meticulously designed to foster collaboration and creativity, drawing in a diverse membership. This rapid global footprint wasn't just about square footage, it was about spreading a philosophy, connecting people across borders. This relentless drive to expand demonstrates the power of seizing opportunity and scaling a compelling idea, inspiring us to push the boundaries of what's possible in our own ventures. Crucial to WeWork's astronomical valuation was its self-proclaimed identity as a tech company, not just a real estate play. This distinction was vital because tech companies, especially those disrupting traditional industries, often command much higher valuations. WeWork argued its proprietary software, data analytics, and community platform made it a technology firm, fundamentally different from a landlord. This narrative allowed investors to overlook traditional real estate metrics and imagine a future of exponential growth and profit margins. Understanding how a company frames its identity offers profound insights into its perceived value and market strategy, encouraging us to articulate our own unique contributions boldly. The year 2019 marked WeWork's zenith, with a private valuation soaring to an astonishing $47 billion. This valuation was built on a potent cocktail of rapid expansion, charismatic leadership, and the promise of a revolutionary business model. Investors, particularly SoftBank, poured billions into the company, captivated by Neumann's vision and the sheer scale of WeWork's ambition. This moment represented the pinnacle of startup hype, a belief that bold ideas could defy conventional economics. It's a testament to the power of a compelling narrative and the human tendency to believe in extraordinary possibilities, reminding us to always chase our grandest visions while staying grounded. A critical player in WeWork's meteoric rise was SoftBank and its visionary founder, Masayoshi Son. Son, known for his 300-year vision, saw WeWork as more than just an office space provider. He believed it was a platform to connect people and transform entire cities. SoftBank's Vision Fund injected billions, becoming WeWork's largest investor, doubling down on the belief that WeWork would become a dominant force in the global economy. This profound investment demonstrates the power of conviction and the belief in groundbreaking ideas, urging us to find partners who truly believe in our long-term potential. At its core, WeWork's business model was deceptively simple: lease large commercial properties long-term, then divide and sublease them to members on short-term, flexible contracts. The genius was in the community, the amenities, and the design that commanded a premium. However, this model also exposed WeWork to significant risk. It created a mismatch between long-term liabilities and short-term revenues, essentially operating as a very large, fancy landlord. Understanding the underlying mechanics of any business model is crucial for long-term success, helping us build ventures with solid foundations that withstand market shifts. The moment of truth arrived with the filing of WeWork's S-1 document, a mandatory public disclosure required for companies planning an initial public offering, or IPO. This document, intended to provide transparency to potential investors, instead threw the company under an intense spotlight. For the first time, WeWork's internal workings, its financials, and its corporate governance structures were laid bare for the world to scrutinize. This pivotal moment underscores the importance of transparency and thorough preparation in any major endeavor, reminding us that every step forward must be built on a foundation of integrity and clear communication. The S-1 filing revealed a staggering truth: despite its colossal valuation, WeWork was hemorrhaging money. In 2018 alone, the company reported a net loss of $1.9 billion. This wasn't a temporary dip, it was a consistent pattern of spending far outstripping revenue. The path to profitability seemed distant, relying on ever-increasing growth and member acquisition. This disclosure sent shockwaves through the investment community, forcing a re-evaluation of the tech company narrative. It's a powerful lesson in distinguishing between growth at any cost and sustainable business, inspiring us to build ventures with robust financial health from day one. Beyond the financial losses, the S-1 also exposed alarming corporate governance issues, largely centered around Adam Neumann's immense power in questionable dealings. He held supervoting shares, giving him disproportionate control, and engaged in numerous related party transactions, including personally owning properties leased back to WeWork. These practices raised serious red flags about conflicts of interest and lack of accountability to shareholders. Good governance isn't just about rules, it's about trust and ethical leadership. This saga reminds us that building a sustainable future requires transparent structures and unwavering integrity, empowering everyone involved. One of the most contentious revelations was Adam Neumann's decision to personally trademark the We family of brands, WeWork, We Live, We Grow, and then sell the rights back to the company for a reported $5.9 million. This move, while legal, appeared to be a blatant conflict of interest, using the company's own assets for personal enrichment. The backlash was immediate and severe, further eroding investor confidence in Neumann's leadership and judgment. It serves as a stark reminder that true leadership means prioritizing the collective good over personal gain, fostering trust and inspiring genuine dedication in our teams. The combination of massive losses, questionable governance, and a business model that seemed more real estate than tech proved too much for public market investors. The initial enthusiasm for WeWork's IPO rapidly soured. Investor sentiment plummeted, forcing the company to dramatically slash its target valuation multiple times. Ultimately, in September 2019, WeWork was forced to withdraw its IPO plans entirely. This collapse wasn't just a financial setback, it was a public unraveling of a once unshakable dream. It demonstrates that even the most ambitious visions require solid foundations and accountability, urging us to build with prudence and integrity. The fallout from the failed IPO was swift and severe. Investor pressure mounted, particularly from SoftBank, leading to the inevitable. Adam Neumann stepped down as CEO in September 2019. This was a monumental shift, removing the charismatic figurehead who had personified WeWork's entire existence. While painful, it was a necessary step for the company to regain any semblance of investor trust and move forward. This pivotal moment illustrates the courage required to make tough decisions for the greater good, reminding us that true leadership sometimes means knowing when to empower new perspectives for collective growth. With WeWork teetering on the brink of bankruptcy, SoftBank, already deeply invested, stepped in with a massive rescue package. This bailout, totaling approximately $9.5 billion, was a lifeline that prevented the company's total collapse. In exchange, SoftBank effectively took majority ownership and control of WeWork, becoming the ultimate decision-maker. It was a high-stakes gamble to protect their previous investments and attempt a turnaround. This dramatic intervention highlights the incredible risk and reward inherent in venture capital, and the unwavering determination required to salvage a vision, no matter the cost. We find inspiration in the tenacity to endure and adapt. Under new leadership, WeWork embarked on a challenging journey of corporate restructuring and a return to fundamentals. The focus shifted from hypergrowth to profitability, from lavish spending to financial discipline. The company began selling off non-core assets, streamlining operations, and renegotiating leases to reduce its immense cost base. This difficult but crucial pivot demonstrated a commitment to sustainable business practices. It's a powerful testament to the capacity for adaptation and resilience, showing that even after significant setbacks, a company can redefine its path and emerge stronger, inspiring us to embrace change and forge ahead with determination. Despite the financial turmoil and leadership drama, one undeniable truth remains: the core idea of flexible workspace and community is incredibly valuable. Even with its struggles, WeWork validated the massive demand for spaces where people can connect, collaborate, and feel a sense of belonging in their professional lives. The human need for connection and a supportive environment at work transcends market fluctuations. This enduring value reminds us that true innovation often lies in understanding fundamental human desires, inspiring us to build solutions that genuinely serve and uplift people, creating lasting impact beyond mere transactions. The WeWork saga offers profound lessons on the delicate balance between visionary ambition and financial reality. It highlighted the dangers of unchecked hype, where a compelling narrative can inflate valuations far beyond fundamental business metrics. Investors learn to scrutinize cash flow, governance, and actual profitability, not just growth at any cost. This experience serves as a powerful reminder that while dreams are essential, they must be anchored in sound financial principles. It empowers us to apply critical thinking to every opportunity, ensuring our aspirations are built on a solid, sustainable foundation that can truly endure. Another critical lesson from WeWork is the indispensable role of strong corporate governance and ethical leadership. When a founder wields too much unchecked power, and conflicts of interest are allowed to proliferate, even the most promising ventures can stumble. Robust governance structures, independent boards, and transparency are not mere formalities, they are the bedrock of investor confidence and long-term organizational health. This emphasizes that building a lasting legacy demands accountability and integrity at every level, inspiring us to lead with honesty and to prioritize the collective well-being of our ventures and communities. Despite the dramatic fall from its $47 billion peak, WeWork did not disappear. It survived, albeit in a dramatically leaner and more focused form. This enduring presence speaks volumes about the power of resilience and adaptation in the face of adversity. The company learned hard lessons, restructured, and continues to serve a valuable purpose in the market. Its journey is a testament to the fact that failure isn't the end, but often a catalyst for profound transformation. It inspires us to embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, to pivot when necessary, and to never give up on the core value we aim to provide. The WeWork story, with its incredible highs and challenging lows, offers a powerful mirror to our own entrepreneurial journeys and aspirations. Every setback, every misstep, is an invaluable learning opportunity. It shows us that big visions are essential, but equally vital are discipline, integrity, and the courage to adapt. You hold the potential to create something extraordinary, to solve real problems, and to inspire others. Remember that resilience isn't about avoiding falls, but about finding the strength to rise again, wiser and more determined. Your journey is yours to define, enriched by every lesson along the way. WeWork's legacy continues to shape the very fabric of how we work today. The demand for flexible, community-driven workspaces is stronger than ever, accelerated by shifts towards hybrid and remote work models. WeWork, despite its past, played a pioneering role in normalizing this future of work. Companies now understand the value of adaptable environments and the importance of fostering connection among their teams. This ongoing evolution proves that innovative ideas, even if initially flawed in execution, can permanently alter industries. It empowers us to continuously envision and create the adaptive solutions that will define our future. As you embark on your own ventures, remember the lessons etched into the WeWork narrative: dream boldly, but build with integrity. Foster community, but ensure strong governance. Pursue growth, but prioritize sustainable profitability. The greatest creations are those built on solid foundations, guided by ethical leadership, and dedicated to genuine value. Your purpose, your vision, and your unwavering commitment to doing things the right way are your most powerful assets. Embrace the journey, learn from every chapter, and build something truly meaningful that not only inspires but also endures. The story of WeWork is a complex tapestry of ambition, innovation, and ultimately, a powerful lesson in resilience. It shows us that even grand visions must be grounded in reality and guided by integrity. But it also reminds us of the incredible human capacity to dream, to build, and to adapt. As we look forward, let this story inspire you to pursue your own potential, to learn from every challenge, and to build a future that is not only successful but also deeply meaningful. Together, we can shape a world where innovative ideas flourish, and true value is always paramount. Keep building, keep learning, keep growing,